Have you ever listened to the sound of silence? If you have not, then hush your breath and open your heart for a moment. Let it creep into your senses and lull them till you feel a strange tranquility overpower you. Soon, you will forget the mundane and reach for the supreme. Trust me, because I experienced this surreal feeling as soon as we strolled into the Changi Point Boardwalk. It is a beautiful 2.2 kilometer stretch of lush greenery that drops into the sea and takes you all the way till the Changi Village. Well, at least that is the proposed trail. The current stretch will take you till the Changi Sailing Club and a few meters ahead of it. At first, the long meandering trail appeared to be just another boardwalk with stiff rectangular bends bordered with metal handrails. But then, two things tempted us to walk on. First, the seductive hum of cicadas. And second, the soothing sound of the sea waves splashing against the stilts holding up the boardwalk. Yes, the walk takes you right out into the sea and drops you into it, then picking you up and carrying you away into eternity as it would seem. As we turned the first corner, we saw the masts of the first sailing boat. It stood swaying gently as the morning breeze created ripples beneath it on the smooth surface of the sea. Moving closer, we spotted the second and then the third. Soon, the sea lay sprawled before us, sprinkled with sailing boats, ships, yachts, fishing trawlers, and the lot. We plodded down the boardwalk with the sea flowing beneath us. The sunset point lay at the other end of the walk. A blush of pink still lingered on the edges of the blue sky that lay above us. Cottony white clouds floated around in the vast canvas, dawning it with a dreamy look. The silver sea, reflecting the mellow morning sunlight, glistened and gleamed. It was a sight that you might find difficult to forget. At one point, the boardwalk drops onto the beach. A solitary rock stood there to greet us as the waves played around it mildly. A perfect spot for an Instagram reel. We were following the path that lay hugging the sea when we noticed a movement in the water and stopped to look closer. It was an otter finishing his morning swim with a vigorous energy amidst the lazy waves. As we made our way towards the exit, our footprints lay embedded in the sand back on the beach. My storyteller's backpack was enriched with tales of the beautiful vista I had just left behind. If you enjoyed our video and would like to join us for more such travel tales, do subscribe to our channel, Storyteller's Backpack. Click the like icon and send us your comments because your thoughts and feedback are very important to us. Hope to see you on our next journey. Till then, take care and remain hungry for more stories.